at Six Tanks Brewing Co. This is on the main street, Mitchell Street in Darwin. It's close to all the clubs and the nightlife around here, and is a great brewery. They've got 6 tanks of their own home brew, as well as a great restaurant attached. So they've got, even if you don't want to try the beers, they've got heaps of different cocktails or wines to choose from, as well as the restaurant is brilliant. I reckon they've got a nice variety of meals, as well as gluten-free and vegetarian options. And the meals are excellent. We had a great meal here, and they've got some nice Australian meals like barra or kangaroo, as well as good seafood options as well that are catch fresh in Darwin. Other than that, this is a great place, lovely atmosphere. Decor is amazing and very friendly staff. So if you're looking for someone to come in Darwin, I would definitely recommend this place.